look, it's a camo cat. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday. We are headed over to the track for eliminations. If you guys didn't know, ruined all of the elimination style and everything they were doing with TX2K. They're not allowing spectators, they're only allowing racers and VIP. Anyways, we got the car running yesterday. Huge thanks again to Aldo Welds for letting me borrow his brakes, but we only had 2 qualifying passes. I missed qualifier 1 because I didn't have any brakes. Aldo Welds came in clutch. We made qualifier 2, and I blew the tires off, ran a 920, and now I'm in like the 920 to 980 class. I'm in a little bit slower class than I'd like to be in, which means we've got to turn the boost way down, and hopefully we can go some rounds. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. Joseph and I are kind of working on a tune-up. Still be fun, made the show, can go some rounds maybe, and have some fun with it. Anyways, so we're headed over to the track, and of course it looks like it's gonna rain, but it says it's not gonna rain. But yeah, pretty much only racers, VIP, and media can be at the track today. It's a weird vibe at TX2K this year, and of course the first time I actually raced there, and there's not even that many people there. But we're gonna have a good time. We'll see you guys over at the track. All right, guys, so we're here for first round. We turned the car down, launching on 6 pounds of boost, and it's only gonna go up to 10 pounds of boost over a 1-second ramp. The problem is, we don't know, that might not be enough to get us fast enough to beat the other guy, or it might be too much.
Send it.
Kennedy says we're gonna send it, so we just packed the parachute. We're obviously not gonna be pulling that on this run. There's the streetcar sport class. Got Justin Keith in there with his vet. Yeah, this is the streetcar sport class, so I'm pretty sure you can't go faster than like a 906 or something like that. But yeah, this is streetcar sport.
At 145 miles per hour, moving on to the next round. Corey Grayley and David VANVORIS.
Look who finally woke up and decided to join the party.
Hey man, I'm making thumbnails.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
Relax.
Kennedy, how'd first round go?
Really, really good, actually. David was pretty close to
Breaking out.
yeah, but we made it.
Car made a good pass.
And you better win this class.
Oof. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be hard not to break out, and then the problem is if someone trees me, which they're probably going to, because I'm trying to leave easy.
Just leave really hard.
The only problem is the car bumped super hard last time, so I think I fixed the bump, so now I can get a good reaction time. Because when it bumps hard, I try and let the car settle back down so it doesn't blow the tires off. But this time we turn the bump down a little bit. We're gonna keep the boost the same, leave it on 6, 10 pounds of boost up top. That's the name of the game today. So we've got a purple CTS-V next. It'll probably run in like the next hour or so. See you guys over there.
Pusher to clears out, man, and we are going to get back to it. Here, round 1.
right, guys, so that was, I don't even know what that was, maybe quarterfinals or something. I think the semifinals are up. It's taken us like 3 or 4 hours just to get to the second round. It is taking forever. Yeah, so trying to cool the car down, but yeah, it's been taking for tons of oil downs today. So we're gonna keep the tune-up where it's at and just see what happens, right, Kim Dog?
Yes, Dave. We're gonna win.
Kennedy is the team motivator today.
Cheerleader.
Fun fact, Kennedy's actually the one driving the car.
Kennedy is the one driving the car.
You've been calling her off camera.
I'll see you guys on the next round.
License plate bracket says Blazers. What's that?
You want Coke, Sprite, water, there's some
Alright, we got David VANVORIS in the right lane. Good old Texas plate, left lane. The plate simply reads green car. David Coyote of Lake City, Texas, and David VANVORIS of Amarillo. Your street car pro final. Green car. Anthony Coyote out of Lake City, Texas, and David VANVORIS of Amarillo. Your street car pro final.
We won! So guys, we won the TX2K streetcar class sport. Got $1,000. Shout out everybody for helping. It took a lot to get here,
Yes.
but we won. It was totally worth it, right, Kev?
You goddamn right, boys.
So we thrashed all week, got the car going, and actually won, which is pretty crazy when you think about it, that this car was not running the other day. So huge thanks to everyone that helped out. TG Motorsports, of course. John Lund Jr. on the keyboard, Lund Tuning, for all their help. Got the new RPG engine in there, all the safety equipment from Motion Raceworks, BMR suspension, Viking shocks, which we're soon gonna have some Viking coilovers in the front. Cannot wait to put those on. Contagion Athletics, and of course, we just started putting some 1-ethanol in there. So teamlethalperformance.com. If you guys need anything, use code VANVORIS. Use VANV39 on BMR suspension. But Kennedy and I are going to take a little photo together, and really happy with how the tanks thing did. Obviously, it wasn't going as fast as we wanted to go. It's got a lot of work in it, but we do have some private rentals coming up, so we can see if we can get that elusive 7. But we've got a lot of work ahead of us, but I'm just really excited right now because we actually won something. And someone just threw something at me. Someone picked that up. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video series. Hopefully you liked all the passes. Thank you guys so much for following along. And we're going to start moving forward with the tanks thing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys on the next one.